Do you want to know how to go from nothing to $1 million online? Watch this video. If you haven't heard of 30days.com, the 30-day summit, the 3-day online summit, I got a link down in the description below. Go check it out. If you have heard of it, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to get 50% off if you haven't already bought. Now, what is 30days.com? What is this? If you suddenly lost everything, what would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? This is the question that Russell has asked 30 online millionaires to reveal to everyone. Now, it's absolutely insane because for 3 days, August 17th, 18th, 19th, you'll have access for free. Now, the catch is if you want to have lifetime access as well, you get immediate access to all these interviews. It's just $100 and you'll get all these different things. You can check out the next page. It's got a million different things. So what you got to do first is you got to go to the link in the description below, and then you need to scroll down here to the bottom and click this big register now button. Okay, then it's going to take you to the upsell. The upsell is the $100, and what it does is it gives you lifetime access. You can download all of the strategies. You get to see behind the scenes of all the millionaires' funnels, and you can go at your own pace, right? If you can't afford it, it's no problem. But if you can't afford it, you have 3 days. You can watch all their interviews. You do need a lot of time freed up to be able to take advantage of that. But then once you've done this step here, you're going to come here to the traffic secrets. Okay, and this is another upsell. It's a great value as well. And then if you go to the next page, that's when you see here your 30-day challenge dashboard. Now you can see on the left-hand side here all the different millionaires, and if you click on each one, you'll get to see their interview. You'll get to be you'll get to download their blueprint, and as well, you'll be able to see behind the scenes of their $1 million funnels. Now, how do you get 50% off this thing? Well, I'm doing something absolutely insane, and when you use my link down below, what you gotta do is sign up, pay the upsell, the $100, send me a screenshot with your name and the email that you signed up for, and I will rebate you $50. I know, it's crazy, but I think it's so valuable to anyone that wants to start making money online that, I want to help you out because I can. So go ahead, click that link in the description below, and I'll see you at the summit.